Welcome all. In this module, we will study about the relationship between income and demand. When income of consumer changes, it influences the demand for a commodity. We will study this change in income's effect in the two cases. First is in the case of normal goods and second is in the case of inferior goods. In the case of normal goods, as we all know, there is the positive relation between income and demand. It means when income of consumer, Y denotes income of the consumer. Income of consumer increases, demand for the commodity also increases. And in the second case, we will study about the inferior goods. Here there is the negative relation between the income and demand for the goods. When income of the consumer increases, demand for inferior goods decreases. So here is the inverse, or we can say negative relation in between income and the demand for the commodity. In the case of normal goods, consumer purchases more when his income rises and consumer purchases less when his income falls. So there is the positive relation between income and demand. Consumer's income may be increase or may be decrease. We will see both the cases here in the diagram. We will explain it with a diagram. When we are talking about the change in income of the consumer, here price of the commodity we are taking, it is constant. Price में कोई change नहीं आ रहा है. Change comes only in the income of the consumer. So price on y-axis, as we have taken price. So price is constant somewhere here. Suppose OP is the price which is constant and this is the demand curve. DD is the demand curve for a commodity. So consumer is demanding OQ commodity. Now what happens? First we will see when there is increase in the income. Income जब increase हो रही है consumer की, तो in the case of normal goods, when income increases, demand for goods also increases, and when income decreases, demand for goods also decreases. So when income increases in first case, then demand for good also increases, and when demand increases, our demand curve shifts rightward and we will get a new demand curve, that is D1 D1. Here we are marking A and B, and our demand increases, consumers demand increases from OQ to OQ1. So this is in the case of when income increases, and second is case when income decreases, demand also decreases. So when demand decreases, our new demand curve shifts leftward. पहले राइटवर्ड शिफ्ट हुआ था, अब इनकम, क्योंकि इनकम में कमी आई है, डिमांड कम हो गई है, तो डिमांड कर्व हमारा लेफ्टवर्ड नया बनेगा D2 D2. हमने इसको न्यू नेम वी हैव गिवन D2 D2, एंड on this we can show that demand decreases from OQ to OQ2. In the same diagram, I have shown the two cases. First is increase in income, when income of consumer increases for the normal good. In the case of normal good, his demand also increases. जब income बढ़ रही है तो demand भी increase हो रही है. And when income of the consumer decreases, in the case of normal goods, demand also decreases. This arrow shows demand also decreases and demand curve shifts leftward. So here A, B and C point we have given, and we can show A to B is showing. हमारा point A to B जो है, it is showing when income इंक्रीजेज, डिमांड इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम Q टू Q1. तो A to B क्या है, इंक्रीज इन डिमांड. एंड A to C डिक्रीज इन डिमांड. A to B हमें when income increases and A to C when income decreases. So it is the, this is when income increases and this is when income decreases. So it is about the normal goods. In the case of normal goods, when consumer's income increases, he purchases more goods, and when his income decreases, he purchases less goods. And here price of the commodity remain constant. Inferior goods are those goods in which there is negative income effect. Means when consumers income increases, demand for the good, inferior good decreases, and when consumers income decreases, demand for the inferior good increases. So there is the, we can say here is the negative income effect. यहाँ पर negative income effect है, means if income or demand में negative relation है. So we can show it on the graph. Here also we will take the two situations. In first situation when consumers income increases, and in second situation when consumers income decreases. So when consumers income increases, consumer will not demand for the inferior good. He will be shift to the normal good. तो inferior good की demand क्या हो जाएगी, वो कम हो जाएगी. तो जैसे ही income बढ़ी consumer की, उसने इंफीरियर गुड की डिमांड करना कम कर दिया. तो डिमांड में देयर इज द डिक्रीज इन डिमांड एंड आवर डिमांड कर्व शिफ्ट्स लेफ्टवर्ड. जैसे ही डिमांड में कमी आई फॉर द इंफीरियर गुड, डिमांड कर्व हमारा A to B, डिमांड में डिक्रीज इन डिमांड है और डिमांड कर्व हमारा लेफ्टवर्ड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. वी विल गेट अ न्यू डिमांड कर्व D1 D1. It happens when income of the consumer increases. कंज्यूमर की इनकम जैसे ही इंक्रीज हुई, उसने inferior good की डिमांड कम हो गई. नाउ ही शिफ्ट टू द नॉर्मल गुड और inferior good का डिमांड कर्व लेफ्टवर्ड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. एंड देयर इज द डिक्रीज इन इनकम फ्रॉम OQ to OQ1. Similarly, in the second case, we can show that if income of the consumer decreases, when income of the consumer decreases, his demand for commodity also increases. क्योंकि consumer की income कम हुई है तो वो normal good पे तो जा ही नहीं सकता, वो afford कर ही नहीं सकता. इसी good को वो continue demand बनाए रखेगा, तो इसकी demand increase हो जाएगी and demand curve shifts to the right. And we will get the new demand curve D2 D2. And here we are marking the C point and we are showing here that our demand increases from OQ to OQ2. OQ is the initial demand when price is constant. price हमारे यहाँ पर constant है, price में कोई change नहीं आ रहा है. change किस में आ रहा है, change केवल income में, change comes in the income. इनकम में चेंज बता रहे हैं हम. OQ इज द इनिशियल डिमांड, DD इज द इनिशियल डिमांड कर्व. एट पॉइंट A कंज्यूमर्स डिमांड वाज OQ. नाउ वी हैव शोन इन द फर्स्ट केस व्हेन देयर इज इंक्रीज इन इनकम, देन इन द केस ऑफ इंफीरियर गुड जब इनकम इंक्रीज होती है देन डिमांड डिक्रीजेज. सो आवर डिमांड कर्व शिफ्ट्स लेफ्टवर्ड और वी कैन से बैकवर्ड शिफ्ट इन द डिमांड कर्व फ्रॉम DD to D1. And when income of the consumer decreases, our demand curve shifts rightward from DD to D2. By this breaking line curve, I have shown the two curves, and from we can show here A to C increase in demand. Increase हो रही है demand when कंज्यूमर्स इनकम डिक्रीजेस, इनकम डिक्रीज हो रही है. ठीक है, दिस इज इन द केस ऑफ इंफीरियर गुड्स. एंड A to B there is decrease in demand of inferior good because here consumers income increases. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा in the case of inferior goods there is the negative income effect, means when income of the consumer increases demand for the inferior good decreases, and when income of the consumer decreases demand for the inferior good increases.